Today, I'll show you how to embed a Typeform into your Squarespace website. If you're looking to seamlessly integrate interactive forms into your site, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to typeform.com. This is where all of your form creation and management happens. If you haven't already, log into your account. If you're new to Typeform, you'll need to sign up for an account. It's a straightforward process, and once you're in, you'll have access to all the forms you've created or plan to create. Now, once you're logged in, you'll see a list of forms you've made. Select the form you want to embed into your Squarespace site. Click on the form to open its settings. This is where you can customize and configure your form before embedding it. Next, look for the Share option, usually located at the top of the page. Clicking this will bring up various sharing options for your form. Here, you'll find different ways to distribute your form, but for our purpose, we'll focus on embedding it into your website. After clicking Share, you'll see a section labeled Embed Form. Within this section, you'll notice an option that says On Your Website. Click this option to proceed. This step is crucial as it leads you to the specific tools you need to integrate the form into your Squarespace site. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter an embed name. This name is for your reference, helping you identify which form is embedded where, especially if you have multiple forms on different pages of your website. Choose a name that's descriptive enough for you to remember easily. Once you've entered the embed name, click on Start Embedding. This action will guide you through the process of selecting the right platform for your website. Since we're focusing on Squarespace, the next step is to select Squarespace from the list of platform options provided. With Squarespace selected, you're almost there. The platform will generate a code that you need to embed your form into your site. You'll see a button labeled Copy Code. Click this button to copy the embed code to your clipboard. This code is essential as it's what you'll paste into your Squarespace page to display the form. Finally, head over to your Squarespace website, log into your account, and navigate to the page where you want to add the Typeform. Once you're on the desired page, enter Edit Mode. You'll need to add a new block, so look for the option to add a code block. Paste the copied embed code into this block and save your changes. And there you have it. Your Typeform should now be live on your Squarespace site. This integration is a fantastic way to enhance user interaction, gather valuable data, and maintain a seamless look across your website. If you encounter any issues, double-check each step to ensure everything is correctly set up. Thanks for watching and happy embedding.